Dealing with smoke odor in your car can be frustrating, as it tends to linger in fabrics, vents, and surfaces long after the smoke is gone. Luckily, with the right cleaning methods, you can restore a fresh and pleasant scent to your vehicle. Start by removing the source of the odor. Clear out ash, cigarette butts, and trash, and take out floor mats, seat covers, and other removable items for separate cleaning before tackling the rest of the interior. Next, deep clean the interior to help remove the smoke smell. Vacuum the floor mats, under the seats, and along the edges where dirt collects. Use a crevice tool to clean tight spots like cup holders and door panels so no residue is left behind. Then, use a soft brush or foam paintbrush to dust the vent grills, brushing along the slats to clear out dirt from the small spaces. This helps freshen the air and makes the deeper cleaning more effective in removing smoke smell from your car. Then, pour some glass cleaner onto a microfiber towel and gently wipe down the car windows. This removes the smoke film that clings to glass and helps eliminate lingering odors, while also making sure you have a streak-free, clear view. Then, clean the car seats using a fabric or upholstery cleaner to target the smoke odor trapped in the material. Spray the cleaner evenly onto the fabric, scrub gently with a soft brush to lift the residue, and wipe it away with a clean towel. White vinegar helps remove smoke smell in a car by neutralizing odors instead of covering them up. Take a spray bottle, add 1 cup of water, half a cup of white vinegar, and few drops of dishwashing liquid in it. Lightly spray the fabric and scrub the area with the help of cleaning brush. This works well for odors or light stains. Then, with the help of vacuum machine, vacuum up the surface. It will remove dirt from the corners of your car seats and help clear out trapped smoke residue. A dirty cabin air filter can trap smoke particles and keep circulating the odor. So regularly cleaning it helps get rid of smoke smell in your car. Cabin filter cleaning kit helps get rid of smoke smell in your car by removing dirt, dust, and trapped smoke particles from the cabin filter. It restores airflow, improves the air quality inside, and extends the life of the filter, saving you money on replacements. The kit is easy to use with simple spray and rinse steps, and regular cleaning also helps reduce lingering odors, while keeping your ventilation system fresh and efficient. An activated charcoal odor absorber is a natural and chemical-free way to get rid of smoke smell in your car. It works by trapping smoke particles in its tiny pores, removing odors instead of just masking them. With the right cleaning steps and odor eliminators, you can restore a fresh, clean scent and make your car a more comfortable place to drive.